what you gonna do when the Theme Park Maniacs run wild on you, brother?
Do this again.
Ride that again. This time you're gonna lose again. I beat him.
He beat me.
I crushed him.
So we gotta go again. You have faith in me?
No, he's gonna lose. Look at him. Go. Yeah! We're gonna crush you. No, we're gonna crush it.
Wait, who's gonna crush them?
You're gonna wreck it.
Me and you are gonna do it?
We're gonna do it.
I'm gonna spin it.
I'm not going on. Why do I spin it?
Alright, I promise not to spin it if you go on.
No. You did this with the howler. You're not gonna do it.
I won't spin it, I promise.
Yeah, okay. Okay. See what he's doing?
He crossed his dick.
Ooh, I wanna see that.
It's a red train thing, I told you. Red train wins today. Actually, and you know what? Red train was actually funner than the other one. Look at the two losers over there. He's a sore loser. Don't mind him.
He cheated.
You cheated. You're a sore loser. Walk of shame.
You barely
Walk
won
of
that.
shame.
Last time we crushed you. Last time we crushed it. You barely won that.
Walk of shame. I watched you.
Last time we crushed you.
You know why? Because the red train wins every time. Yeah.
No. The guy says random.
Let's ride this all day long and prove it.
Alright.
All day long, we'll prove that red train wins all day long.
Prove it.
You want to waste the day here and not go on Sky Rush? That's your problem.